Hello friends, welcome to my channel Go Digit. Today in this video we will learn about a drop shipment function feature in Navision 2018. Actually this feature works exactly same in D365 Business Central also. But actually in my system right now D365 Business Central is not working. So that's why I'm showing you this feature in Navision 2018. So to begin with, let me open the sales order first. Uh, well, I would like to give you one brief introduction about this feature, that how this feature works and what is the use of this feature. So basically, whenever we receive any sales order from our customer, and let's say we don't own that item and we don't manufacture that item too, so what companies generally do is that they purchase that item from some different vendor, and they, rather than keeping that item or receiving that item in their own warehouse, they directly ship that item to the customer location. Okay, so to start with, let me create a new sales order as 10 and select the type here as item. Let me input the item as 1000, which is bicycle. Please remember there's a field called purchasing code in the sales line. So when you click here, you will find an option called drop shipment. Okay, so just select that option, and if this purchasing code field is not showing in your sales order, just add that field. Okay, so after adding that, just select that option called drop shipment, and just go to the release button, and it will release your sales order. And now this order is freezed and you're not going to make any further changes in the sales order. Well, just for the information, just keep a note of that sales order number, which is 1003. Okay, so now the next step is to create the purchase order for to fulfill this sales order. Okay, so go to the purchase order screen, click on new, and just input the vendor number here, and there's a field called called or name as sell to customer number in the purchase order. Just input the same customer number which you input in your sales order. We have input the customer number as 10,000 in our sales order, so I will use the same here also. And now just click on actions, and here you will find an option called drop shipment. Click here and select the get sales order. So this will show you the list of all the orders which belongs to that customer and are using this drop shipment function or feature. Okay, so our sales order number was 1003, so I'll select that line and click OK. So what it will do, it will automatically create a purchase line of that same item and with the required quantity. And what we need to do is that rather is just to click on post and receive that item. Okay, but before that, I'd like to show you one more thing, more information about this by zoom, by clicking on zoom. Just click here, and you will find that as soon as we click on the drop shipment and use the get sales order, it will all what it will do is that it links our purchase order with our sales order number. So it is also showing here is the sales order number as 1003. Okay, so that's what I would like to show to you. After that, just click on post button and receive that item and click OK. So to confirm that our receiving has been done, just go to the navigate and click on receipts. Here you will find your receipt screen, receipt list. Click on navigate, and here we can see our item ledger entry, which is showing that the inventory of this item is up by 1. Okay, but see, The best part is that remaining quantity is showing 0. This means that what I said before, that we are not going to receive that item in our own warehouse, right? So, and we are going to directly ship that item to our customer. So exactly the same thing is done by the system. And though we received one quantity of this item against our purchase receipt, but the remaining quantity is showing 0. This means we don't own this item in our inventory. And if I click on applied entry, it will show me that it has already used in this uh, document sales order, okay, and applied quantity is -1. So this means this shows that this item is already shipped, and system automatically created a posted sales shipment to this customer. And now, just to view this picture in our sales order, just go to the sales order screen also to confirm that. And I'll close the purchase order screen and just come to your sales order card. And here also you can see and confirm yourself that quantity shipped is showing 1. That means we cannot ship anymore this sales order, and this sales order is already shipped. Let me click on post button, and if I try to ship, it will show me an error that there is nothing to post. Okay, so this is what the drop shipment feature or the function works, and this is the best function or the best feature when we have to when there is a when there is a condition or situation like this, that we don't want to keep that item in our own inventory. Okay, so thank you, guys. If you like this video, just click on like button, and please click on subscribe button also. Thank you very much.